Okay, good morning. Today I'm going to make avocado or guacamole dip. So right now I have all the ingredients. I'm going to use 3 avocados, but we're going to keep our avocado seeds inside so it will keep like to turn into brown. So but first I wash my hands. I'm going to get my gloves. Okay, so I will use gloves. Okay, so now so we're going to use 3 avocados and we're going to keep the seeds inside to keep it from browning. So let's set it aside. Here are the other ingredients. We have the 1/2 cup of diced tomatoes. It's around 1 to 1.5 chopped diced tomatoes. 1/3 cup of diced onion. I use red onion, and it's half of a piece of medium red onion. 1/3 cup of diced cilantro. 1/3 cup of or 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Actually, this is 1/3 cup of lime juice, but we're just going to use 1 tablespoon. And this is, I put extra, but we're just going to use 1 tablespoon. It's according to your taste. So I have extra here. This is 1/8 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, and 1/8 teaspoon of garlic powder. So I have here the tablespoons, so for our lime juice. So now we're going just to mix them all together. So first, we're going to mash our avocado. Look, our avocado is good, so it's really fresh. You can put the we're just going to take it out. And we can just put the seeds first. Okay. And we can use spoon. We're just going to make it smaller pieces first. And let the seeds be in here so that it will keep from turning it into brown. So have the seeds be inside your Okay, and we're going to do the rest of the steps. Okay, now that we have our avocados here, I put the seeds first while we have it in here, because that's what they told me as a tip, that it will keep of turning brown if the seeds is still in here while I'm mashing it. Okay, so it will lessen or making it longer not to turn it brown. So we're going to take this out. Okay. Okay. Need to get the whisk. Maybe the whisk will make it more. There you go. Yep. Yay. Okay, so now we mashed the avocados already. Now we're going to add, we're going to add our other ingredients, our onion, and now we're going to put our seeds in here. There. Then our tomatoes. Our ground black pepper, our salt, our garlic powder, our cilantro, okay. We're just going to mix them together. Don't want it to waste. Okay. And now, look, we have our guacamole, and we're going to put 1 tablespoon of lime juice. And we have our guacamole. We're just going to taste it. Okay? We're ready to taste it with the chips. Okay, so we're done. This is our guacamole or avocado dip. We're going to try it with our tostada or chips. So let's try it with one of our tostadas. It's good. You can, if you want it spicy, you can add 1 serrano chili. That would be optional. Okay, you can, if you want to make it a little bit spicy, you can add 1 serrano chili or jalapeno chili. But I don't like it spicy, that's why I only have just a regular avocado dip or guacamole dip. Okay, but you can add 1 serrano or jalapeno. Okay, so let's have our guacamole dip and chips. Try the recipe. Avocado guacamole dip.